PLSQL conditional logics. In this lesson, we are going to learn about conditional logics and different types of loops in PLSQL. First, we will see the meaning of conditional logic. Conditional logic is used in a PLSQL block to control the flow of program statement execution. In the PLSQL block, we can use the if-then, if-then-else, if-then-else-if, and case statements to control the flow of execution in the executable section. Here, we will discuss each type in detail. First, we will see the structure for an if-then-else statement. Have a look at this image. The syntax will check the condition first. If that condition is true, then it will execute the statement 1. If the first condition is false, it will execute the statement 2. Now we will see how the if-then-else-if statement works. See this image. It also works like the if-then statement, but instead of giving statements in the else part, we can specify one more condition. It checks the condition first. If the condition becomes true, statements in the true part get executed. If it checks the else-if condition in the else-if part, the operation runs like a normal if statement. And finally, if both conditions evaluate to false, the else part will get executed. Here we will see the program which includes the if statement. This program is written to insert values from the details table to the new salary table. Here in this program we have declared 3 variables, namely num, name, and sal. Then we have created a variable record detail as a row-type variable in the declaration section. In the executable section, we have selected the values to the variables using select into statement. In the if logic, salary value is checked to find whether it is less than 2,000 or not. If that condition is true, then the value of the salary is manipulated and written into the new table. If the condition becomes false, then control will come out of the if block. Finally, we have closed if block and program block. Like this, we can use nested if statements in the PLSQL block. Now we will discuss case statement in PLSQL. Let's see its uses. Case statement is used to control the branching operation in a PLSQL block. Here I show you the image created by specifying case statement. In this image, the condition value is checked with all the other case values. If any case value is matched with the condition value, then the corresponding actions are executed. If the condition is not matched with any values, then the else statement is executed. See this PLSQL block. In this program, we have used case statement to differentiate the students according to the grade, and their details are added to the corresponding table. Let's see the series of operations carried out in this program. First, a variable named status is created to store a single character. Next, a new variable named recordVal is created with the row type of the table student. Then the values are read from the table to the variable. The status value is read from the table and stored into a local variable. Status value is checked with all grades, and they are inserted into the corresponding tables. And finally, the case block is closed. And the last PLSQL block is ended. Finally, in this lesson we have talked about if conditional logic and case statement in PLSQL. We will use these conditional logics in programs in upcoming lessons.